Number 8. Mouse with a human ear. One of the most famous laboratory animals was the mouse that appeared to have a human ear growing on its back. Surprisingly, it wasn't a real human ear. Scientists placed a biodegradable ear-shaped framework under the mouse's skin and allowed cartilage cells to grow around it. This groundbreaking experiment was designed to help doctors create replacement body parts for patients who had suffered injuries or birth defects. Number 7. Two-headed dog. During the 1950s, Soviet surgeon Vladimir Demikhov shocked the world by creating a two-headed dog through experimental transplant surgery. He attached the head and front legs of a puppy onto the body of a larger dog. Both heads could move, drink water, and react independently. Although the animals survived only for a short time, the research played an important role in the development of modern organ transplant techniques. Number 6. Glow-in-the-dark mouse. Scientists successfully created mice that glow bright green under ultraviolet light. They inserted a fluorescent protein gene originally discovered in jellyfish into the mouse's DNA. These glowing mice allow researchers to track diseases such as cancer, monitor organ development, and test new treatments without invasive procedures. Number 5. Transparent frog. Imagine seeing a frog's beating heart without surgery. Transparent frogs were developed so scientists could observe internal organs in real time. This remarkable innovation helps researchers study diseases, organ function, and the effects of new medicines while reducing the need for harmful experiments. Number 4. Monkey-pig chimera. In one of the most controversial experiments ever conducted, scientists combined monkey cells with pig embryos. Their goal was to explore whether human-compatible organs could eventually be grown inside animals for transplantation. Although the embryos survived only briefly, the experiment sparked worldwide debate about ethics and the future of biotechnology. Number 3. Pain-free mouse. Researchers engineered mice with altered pain receptors to better understand how pain works. These special mice helped scientists study chronic pain disorders and develop safer pain relief medications that could reduce dependence on addictive drugs. Number 2. Two-headed fly. Using advanced genetic techniques, scientists created fruit flies with two heads by changing specific developmental genes during early growth. These unusual insects became valuable tools for understanding how genes control body formation and how birth defects develop. Number 1. Chickens with teeth. Believe it or not, chickens once had the genetic ability to grow teeth millions of years ago. Scientists activated ancient dormant genes in chicken embryos, causing tooth-like structures to begin forming. This fascinating discovery revealed how modern birds evolved from dinosaur ancestors and how ancient genetic information can remain hidden for millions of years.